Hi everyone, a very good morning and welcome to another day of Daily Market Outlook. So in today's episode, discussing the major dollar pairs alongside gold. So let's dive in and stay tuned for what is to come. By the way, we're going to be doing signals via Telegram now. So if you want to join in on the fun, check out the link in the description down below to the Telegram channel where you can sign up for signals. So yeah, just trying to make your life as a trader more easy and effective, and of course helping hand in passing your FTMO challenge. So with that said, let's dive in and see what the markets have to give. Starting off with the dollar index currently has been pushing down again since the Asian session. As you can clearly see, we pulled back in towards that area of supply, which I mentioned on Friday. Yeah, pretty much just started dumping from there. Now currently stalling inside this area of demand. So keep an eye on this sell before the big buy, because this could cause price to push up higher. I'll be keeping an eye on, let's say, the 15-minute time frame, because the 15-minute time frame could pull back. As we can see over here, this is pretty much the trend, pullback, push. This means this low was the low to break. Low got broken, meaning that this is now your high, this is now your low. So we could easily start seeing a pullback in towards, let's say, supply before seeing then the further dump in towards the downside. Just keep that in mind, or even this higher area of supply on the 15. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'll be looking at on the dollar index, expecting further downside for now. If I just look at this chart, in my personal opinion, this reversal was pretty much just unjustified, so I would not be surprised if we do come down one more time to take out that liquidity. So that said, let's head over to Aussie dollar and Aussie dollar. So Aussie dollar failed to kind of complete that channel slash wedge, which I mentioned over here on Friday. What I'm waiting for at the moment is for one more push back up in towards the highs, looking for a potential push in towards this supply zone before looking for a further downside from this pair. So yeah, that's Aussie dollar. Then we have euro dollar. Euro dollar was a lot more interesting. Why is that? Well, if we look at the 4-hour, we can clearly see a pullback in towards this area of demand, as I mentioned on Friday, flipping bullish by breaking this high over here. This is now your low, this is now your high, pulls back in towards, I think, pretty much exactly the 50% mark of the overall swing range. Let me see. Yeah, pretty much pulls back in towards this area of demand and starts rising from here. So I would not be surprised if we do see further upside, at least in towards, let's say, this area of supply or this area of supply over here. So yeah, that's euro dollar. Then we have pound dollar. Pound dollar also pretty much played out as I explained. We can clearly see tap in towards this demand zone. Would not be surprised if we come back down one more time to take out liquidity low before really seeing a push up in towards that higher time frame area of supply. Yeah, that's pound dollar. Then Kiwi dollar. Kiwi dollar is reacting to this area of demand. Again, look at the 4-hour, clearly can see pushed in towards this area of demand and started rising from there as explained on Friday as well. Currently looking at Kiwi dollar, would not be surprised if we do come up one more time for that liquidity high located over here. So I'll be keeping my eyes out for that. For the rest, nothing really much to be said about Kiwi dollar. It's not really a very interesting pair in my personal opinion at this point in time. Then we have gold. So yeah, gold, what has gold been doing? Pretty much just pushed down since Friday. Now we pushed down in towards pretty much this sell before the buy off. So that means that we have some demand and we can see that we're currently reacting to it. So as we can see over here, reacting to this area of demand. So what I'm looking for is one more push up in towards supply before looking for a bigger sell-off in towards the downside. So yep, that is pretty much it. For the rest, we have some other interesting pairs on the board. Not really anything that I'm specifically looking at, but I will be keeping you guys up to speed. So yeah, in the meantime, if you want to enjoy signals to profitably trade and of course pass FTMO challenges, check out the link in the description down below. You can sign up over there via Telegram. You can cancel at any time. It's going to be super easy. We're also going to be opening up a Telegram community next to the Discord community. It's just going to be a little bit more easy for me to be active over there, as Discord is sometimes just a little bit hard to keep a good overview. So yeah guys, I wish you all a fantastic day and we will speak very, very soon. Thanks guys.